What's up, guys? Hope you are well. This is YVS this side. And those who don't know me, my name is Yashwardhan Swami, and we help people transform and make it the last time they are dieting. And today's framework is about fixing your gut health permanently without using any antacids or without eliminating any food. Also, keep in mind, 7 out of 10 people in India experience digestive or gut health issues. It's a very common problem. सब हर किसी के लिए serious नहीं है, but most people deal with this. And today, this is a framework to fix your digestion, bloating, and constipation in 5 minutes. Not 5 minutes, actually, the framework would be a little longer. If you were reading it, it was 5 minutes, but here I would be explaining in depth. So let's get this rolling. Let's understand digestion before we fix it. Digestion आपको process समझ आएगा, then only we can fix it. Otherwise, it would be just like any other advice you have seen on the internet. ये खा लो, ये पी लो. That doesn't work out. Let's understand principally how does digestion work and what digestion is. Digestion कुछ नहीं है. It's a process of breaking down food. Food is complex in nature and converting it into simpler nutrients. आपकी बॉडी सिर्फ सिंपलर न्यूट्रिएंट्स को एब्जॉर्ब कर सकती है. सो जनरली क्या होता है, वट एवर फूड यू ईट, इट्स सिंप्लीफाइड बाय डाइजेशन. डोंट माइंड माई हैंड राइटिंग. ये सिंप्लीफाई हो जाता है ताकि एब्जॉर्ब और असिमिलेट हो पाए, राइट? एंड सो दैट इट कैन बी एब्जॉर्ब्ड एंड यूज्ड बाय आवर बॉडी एज फ्यूल वाइल एक्सक्रीटिंग द वेस्ट. जब जब भी डाइजेशन की बात होती है ना, हम सिर्फ एब्जॉर्प्शन के बारे में सोचते हैं. जो लोग सोचते हैं एक्सक्रीशन के बारे में नहीं सोचते. दैट इज ऑल्सो इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट, एल्स योर बॉडी वुड नॉट गेट योर बॉडी वुड नॉट गेट डिटॉक्सिफाइड. द क्वालिटी ऑफ फूड ऑब्वियसली मैटर्स. आप ये ध्यान रखो कि यार, अगर आप माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स पूरे नहीं कर रहे, दैट ऑब्वियसली वुड अफेक्ट योर डाइजेशन. बट इन मोस्ट केसेस व्हाट आई हैव सीन इज दैट just certain food sources are not the cause of messed up digestion. एक एस्ट्रिक्स है इस पे, यहाँ पे एक मैं स्टार लगा देता हूँ, आपको एक चीज बता देता हूँ दैट if you are allergic to something, then obviously avoid that food. But if you are not actually allergic to it, मतलब आप gluten intolerant हो, lactose intolerant हो, मतलब आपकी बॉडी में एबिलिटी ही नहीं है, या आपको सीरियस एलर्जीज है such as peanut allergy or something like that, obviously that's not related to digestion. That's actually most of the times it's related to your immune system. So if you have an allergy, that's a different story. But if you are someone जिसके digestion में issue है, we can definitely fix it. And according to me, in my experience, 95% of digestive processes can be improved without eliminating food, and we are working on that right now. We'll discuss that today. And so let's understand it with this framework, with this detailed framework. Uh, पहला principle understand करो that digestion is semi-automatic in nature. Hence, it is confusing. After we have eaten the food, I'm not sure why is this line there. Okay, so the line is gone. After we have eaten the food, digestion is automatic, but before it is mechanical in nature. अब आपको लग रहा होगा digestion है कि कार है. Don't worry about that. I'll explain that in a second. पहला principle, the most important thing which I've learned about digestion is digestion starts much before we eat the food. When we start thinking about food, when we look at it, and when we smell at it. When we smell it, sorry. Um, it's called a cephalic phase of digestion. Matlab, simply put, digestion, your digestion starts before you eat the food. So, principle number one, which you need to understand is that you need to spend some time being mindful, looking at food, smelling it. I know today's lifestyle is super busy. आपको मीटिंग करते करते खाना है, नेटफ्लिक्स देखते देखते खाना है. Don't do that. One of the simplest things to improve your digestion by at least 2 to 3x. Keep in mind, ये फेज ऑफ डाइजेशन में ना एटलीस्ट 30% आपका स्टमक HCl रिलीज होता है. एंड 30% इज एक्चुअली अ लॉट अगर देखा जाए तो इसलिए आपने यू नीड टू स्पेंड सम टाइम working on this phase of digestion. That means आपने principally बस ये याद रखना, digestion is starting before you are eating the food, right? And towards end of this framework, I'll give you practical tips as to how do you fix your digestion and how do we fix digestion for our clients. 90, I don't have the exact number though, but मेरे हिसाब से 97% of our clients actually end up fixing their digestion with the this simple framework, right? This is something, if you come to me someday and become a client, this is the first thing I'll work on, along with other things, obviously nutrition, sleep, and everything else. But this is very important. Next thing is, in our busy lives, we often disregard this phase. Disregard क्या करते हैं हमें पता ही नहीं होता, right? We think कि यार हमने खाना खा लिया है, देन फूड पाइप से खाना चला गया स्टमक में, यहाँ डाइजेशन ऑटोमेटिक हो रही है, राइट? ऑटोमेटिक नहीं है, आपने याद रखना, सेमी ऑटोमेटिक है, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाट. So first principle which you need to understand is start giving time to look at and smelling food. There's a checklist on slide 9 which I'll be sharing with you in a few minutes. Next is you ignored your parents. नहीं, it's not about karma. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने पेरेंट्स को अपने इग्नोर किया. Not sure why this line is coming up. I think my iPad got messed up. Not really, actually. Okay, so back to this. Okay, so you ignored your parents. No, it's not. I'm not talking about karma. Messing up your digestion, it's about the magical advice our parents and elders used to give us. Chew your food at least 24 times. 32 बोलते हैं actually. 32 स्कूल में भी सिखाया होता है. सबने सुना होता है. No one applies it. And I'm 100% sure it's not 24 times right now. And guys, just fixing this thing would change the game. But इसके लिए आपको बहुत ज्यादा पेशेंस चाहिए. अब मैं भी बता देता हूँ मैंने खुद कैसे सीखी चीज. I started my career as I started trained by YVS in 2017. And after that, I was learning and, I used to travel abroad, learn from top coaches of the world. And one thing which happened was that in 2019, I traveled to United Kingdom, London, to learn from top coaches. It was a 2 day workshop, full day workshop थी 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. नवंबर इस टाइम था, बहुत ठंड थी उधर. एंड 2 डे इवेंट था, उसमें से 3/4 ऑफ 0.75 ऑफ 1 डे, मतलब मैं टोटल इन 2 डेज के लिए गया हूँ. फर्स्ट डे पे अगर इफ इट वाज 8 hours ऑफ टीचिंग, 6 hours के लिए दे वर टीचिंग अबाउट चूइंग, इंपॉर्टेंस, GLP-1 रिलीज, ये वो. दैट्स व्हाट मेड मी थिंक कि भाई इन लोगों ने, दीस पीपल की वन वर्कशॉप आफ्टर 3 years, एंड उसमें से भी ये इतना ज्यादा टाइम, ऑलमोस्ट हाफ ऑफ द टाइम दे आर स्पेंडिंग ऑन टीचिंग दिस वन कॉन्सेप्ट आई हैव नेवर थॉट अबाउट. Right. That made me think that, if someone is spending 6 hours of this, 6 out of 16 hours on this, this must be important. And when they taught benefit Dhyan se suna sara, then I realized it's so important. First thing which helps, chewing helps us with this physical breakdown of food using saliva to make the movement of food smoother inside your digestive tract. अगर आप, if you're not chewing your food, you're making it harder for your stomach, right? you by now you understand that how smartly our body is built. So why do we have teeth? Chewing the food. So how many times should we chew? At least 24. Literally, I make my clients count it. अब सुनने में बहुत basic चीज लगेगी. Just this thing can improve your digestion by a lot. Apart from that, फिजिकल ब्रेकडाउन तो हो ही रहा है, उसमें भी हेल्प करेगा. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, स्टेरिलाइजिंग एंड एंटीबैक्टीरियल इफेक्ट में भी हेल्प करता है. सो इफ यू फेस गट हेल्थ इश्यूज अगेन एंड अगेन, आपको फूड पॉइजनिंग हो जाती है अगेन एंड अगेन, then chances are you're not chewing your food properly, because antibacterial effect helps with two things. Number one, it makes it easier for your stomach. Stomach में भी stomach HCl release होता है, which helps with the same effect. But it starts from your mouth, right? So it's optimal for your comfortable digestion and your gut health. Also, chewing optimally also increases something called GLP-1. GLP-1, एक बता देता हूँ if you're someone who has fat to lose. GLP-1, there's this famous drug now which is called Ozempic. ओजेम्पिक भी GLP-1 ही बढ़ाता है, जिससे आपकी क्रेविंग लेवल्स, GLP-1 से इंक्रीज होने से आपकी क्रेविंग लेवल्स गो डाउन, हंगर लेवल्स गो डाउन एंड सेटाइटी गोज अप. प्लस इट्स ग्रेट फॉर इंसुलिन रिलीज, राइट? इंसुलिन रिलीज की ऑप्टिमैलिटी, प्लस आपकी स्टमक को सिग्नलिंग अच्छी मिलती है कि यार ओके, my tummy is full. Your food mindfulness improves just from chewing, right? This also in a way helps with cephalic phase of digestion, although cephalic phase generally eating से पहले start होता है. So first, be mindful with food. मतलब देखो, स्मेल करो, एक आधी मिनट दो। अब ये नहीं कह रहा कि 10 मिनट्स लगाओ देखने में फूड को, 2-4 मिनट दो, दैट्स you'll be good. And then first go and say thank you to your parents or teachers, whosoever taught you this. If not, then say thank you to me, because and I would like to say thank you to the people who taught me this and made me realize how important this is, right? And that is what. Next comes support your stomach. The first thing which comes into place is stomach environment. Because एक चीज याद रखना that stomach environment has to be acidic in nature. It is bound to be acidic in nature because of presence of stomach HCl, because that helps with again sterilizing and giving that the process of churning and giving that effect of antibacterial effect on the stomach. It also helps with certain parts of digestion, I would say, after stomach. So basically, stomach का main काम क्या है? Sterilizing the food with stomach HCl. Sterilizing भी है, mixing and churning the food भी है, right? So how can you support the stomach? Ensure you're not deficient in vitamins and minerals that can impede the production of stomach HCl. Which vitamins you must think? Zinc, बहुत common deficiency है. Iron, बहुत कॉमन डेफिशिएंसी है, बट चेक करवा के ऐसे रैंडमली कभी आयरन नहीं लेना है आपने. और बी स्पेक्ट्रम विटामिन, स्पेसिफिकली B12, बिकॉज इंट्रिंसिक फैक्टर की वजह से. ऑल थ्री आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड ऑल थ्री वुड एक्चुअली हेल्प विद इंप्रूव डाइजेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन ऑल्सो. नेक्स्ट, नाउ यू हैव ईटन द फूड, यू नीड टू हेल्प द फूड मूव. सी, अगेन मैंने आपको बताया कि डाइजेशन इज मोस्टली ऑटोमेटिक, बट स्टिल वी कैन हेल्प इट इवन आफ्टर ईटिंग द फूड. हाउ? बाय हेल्पिंग विद पेरिस्टालसिस. बड़ा हैवी वर्ड लग रहा होगा, पर कोई बात नहीं, बहुत सिंपल भी है. मूवमेंट ऑफ फूड को पेरिस्टालसिस कहते हैं इनसाइड द डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट. दिस इज वेरी इजी. अपार्ट फ्रॉम चूइंग द फूड प्रॉपरली, just pull in small and slow walks around eating time. That can change digestion game for you. कुछ नहीं करना. Before and after a meal, 5 minute walk. Before is, मैं personally after a meal ही करता हूँ, but it's a game changer. And that is what. And also, do not forget to add fiber, soluble and insoluble. दोनों type of fiber आपको चाहिए to in your diet to ensure we are having enough micronutrients to aid digestion, right? तो फाइबर भी चाहिए. अब इसमें फाइबर से माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स डायरेक्टली नहीं आते, बट फाइबर किस में होता है? वेजिटेबल्स में, होल ग्रेन्स में, उनमें, और विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स भी होते हैं विच हेल्प, राइट? सो आपने ऑब्वियसली न्यूट्रिशन का ध्यान रखना, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऑल्सो, what do we learn from the slide? स्लो वॉक्स और फाइबर ऐड करो. फाइबर भी पेरिस्टालसिस में हेल्प करता है, मूवमेंट ऑफ फूड में, स्मूदर मूवमेंट ऑफ फूड. ऑल्सो, this would also help with constipation if you're dealing with constipation. Also look into your magnesium status. मैग्नीशियम अगर कम है तो कॉन्स्टिपेशन उसकी वजह से भी कई बार होता है, एंड एक्सक्रीजन में भी हेल्प करेगा. सो फाइबर इज इंपॉर्टेंट. स्लो वॉक्स अराउंड मील्स 5 to 10 minutes प्लस दैट वुड हिट योर हेल्प यू हिट योर स्टेप गोल. नाउ दिस इज अ हिडन डाइजेशन किलर. कोई इसकी बात नहीं करता. गाइस कीप इन माइंड, डाइजेशन इज मोर ऑफ अ सिंपैथेटिक पैरासिम्पैथेटिक एक्टिविटी. मतलब it is not optimal when you are stressed. मतलब all digestion would only be optimal when you are not stressed. अब sit back and ask yourself, how many times do you eat when you're stressed? A lot of us have that habit of stress eating, right? So ensure that we are not eating immediately after high stress work, a fight with your partner, or even on the move. Right? Whenever you think you're stressed, उस time पे मत खाओ, just delay it. Generally, how much should you delay it? It would vary from person to person, but generally 30 minutes to 2 hours के बीच में आप करोगे तो this advice is based off half life of cortisol actually. Cortisol, which is the chief stress hormone. Don't want to complicate it for you, but this is what you need to do. Pace out your meal. मतलब अभी जैसे for example you just had a fight with your girlfriend, maybe eat after 30 minutes. That would help. Taking 6 deep breaths and slow walks before each meal can help with this. पहले मैंने आपको वॉकिंग का बताया कि that would help with peristalsis, movement of food. बट अगर आप स्लो वॉक्स भी ले रहे हो, इन अ वे यू आर टेलिंग योर बॉडी दैट यस, इट्स chill. And slow walks actually help you enter the parasympathetic nervous system mode. Six deep breaths would also help with that. And there's a something called box breathing. 4 seconds in, 4 seconds hold, 4 seconds out, 4 seconds, 4 seconds hold. दो बार hold है. In, hold, out, hold. 4 seconds, repeat it a few times, and that's box breathing. Do it 6 times, and you'll be good. And it can be a changer during high stress. Again, as you know, guys, this is not the only framework we have created. We have detailed frameworks and practical frameworks on managing stress. Uh, on Trained by VS, if you're not able to find it, simply DM us and we'll help you with that. Next, be smart with your food timings. This part is also often ignored and very important. This is what we suggest our clients. Number one, do not eat too close to your bedtime because number one, if you're eating too close to your bedtime, that would mess up your sleep. For years, I had this problem of waking up at night to pee. I used to think that is normal, but that was simply happening because मैं सोने से just पहले खाना खाता था. So another thing is your digestion is not optimal when you're eating close to your bedtime because in the final hour of your wakefulness, मतलब अगर आप 1 घंटे सोने से 1 घंटे पहले, आपकी stomach acid production goes down by up to 47%, which is a lot, which would make your digestion suboptimal. Next is also it affects sleep. So, try to have your final meal at least 2 hours before your sleeping time. Next is avoid snacking. Yes, snacking all the time can mess up your gut health, especially if snacks are highly processed, fried hai, biscuits हैं, ये सारी चीजें, and high in calories. Avoid snacking. General rule of thumb, I do not propagate snacking also because snacking की core problem है. If you're someone who has fat to lose, snacking does not fill us up. बट कैलोरीज ऐड हो जाती है, कैलोरीज ऐड हो जाती है बट वी डोंट फील फुल. तो आपके डाइट करते हुए भी आपको indirectly you'll end up having more calories because you were not aware of the calories or you did not feel full after having the snack. फिर भी स्नैक करना है तो a few nuts after counting the nuts or a few nuts is option one. Second is have a fruit. Fruit is chill. Fruit is fine. Next is fast often. I fast 16 plus hours every day and extend it further when my gut health goes for a toss. Again, this advice would not apply to everybody, but it's a game changer, literally a game changer for digestion. Uh, and if you can fast, do this when your gut health goes for a toss. Uh, Works like crazy. I personally also avoid eating as soon as I wake up. Kyun? When we wake up, there's a something called cortisol awakening response. As you wake up in the morning, your stress goes up, right? Again, इतना ज्यादा नहीं up होता कि आप actually कुछ नहीं खा सकते. But what my recommendation would be कि only eat when you start feeling hungry. मैं तो generally, like I mentioned, that I fast, so I have my first meal at least 6 to 8 hours after waking up because I find myself very energetic and productive when I'm fasting, right? So that is what. Also, I also avoid eating when I'm doing stressful work and at least 2 hours after stressful events. Keep in mind, guys, cortisol की half life 66 minutes है तो आप अगर 120 minutes मैच कर लो 132 minutes के बाद खाओगे तो that would be a little optimal. But इतना extreme होने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can eat whenever you feel hungry, right? 30 minutes to 2 hours के बीच में बाद में खाओगे तो that would be a little better. Next, sit, enjoy, and relish the food and follow the pre-eating rules on the next slide. Next slide, where there are some pre-eating rules and you can follow them, right? Avoid caffeine close to meals because caffeine stimulates sympathetic nervous system mode, जिससे focus वगैरह बढ़ता है. Meals digestion मैंने आपको बताया opposite है. Digestion is only optimal when you are in calm mode. So generally avoid करो caffeine at least 1 to 2 hours away from meals. 2 hours optimally, actually. 2 hours away from meals karoge caffeine, so that would be better. For example, if I have my coffee at 12, I wouldn't eat till 2. And that's what. So this is a pre-eating checklist. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगेन मैंने आपको बताया 95% of my clients end up fixing their digestion without any antacid, without any pills, or without eliminating food, just following this framework, right? Never eat while on the move or while working. मतलब अभी काम चल रहा है मैं इस टेबल पे rarely actually never eaten while working. I've never eaten while working in the last few years. Digestion is crazy. Set a timer for 10 minutes. ये बहुत important है. इससे this would ensure that you're chewing the food properly. Set a timer for 10 minutes and ensure you're giving at least 10 minutes to each meal. अब मैं कोई ऐसे unrealistic demand नहीं कर रहा हूँ, only 10 minutes, right? Because whenever I'm giving advice, मैं 20-30 minutes नहीं कहूँगा, मुझे पता है it's not doable for most people, it's not even doable for me. It's a very realistic advice. 10 minutes का timer लगाओ and don't get up from the table for 10 minutes, right? And if you are someone who has that habit कि Netflix देखते हो आप करते हुए, आज के आज बंद कर दो, very wrong. Watch it after, right? Watch it later. Also, keep in mind, you need to do it for a few days. Next, keep your phone away. फोन चल रहा है, टेक्सटिंग चल रही है, टेक्स्ट कर रहे हो while eating, do not do that. Again, 10 मिनट की बात है, it's not a big deal, right? Look at food, smell it, and focus on food. मतलब, when you are enjoying food, focus on enjoying food. And also, this is not applied to everybody, but make sure the food looks appetizing slash yummy. अगर food देखने में अच्छा नहीं लग रहा तो आप बहुत लोग avoid करते हैं देखना food को. So, if you are someone who likes it, कि यार food मेरा अच्छा लगना चाहिए, make sure it looks like that, right? Next, to your food, literally count it. तो अभी फिलहाल मैंने अपने clients में तो average ये देखी है that most of them are fast eaters and they are chewing 8 to 10 times, right? So instead of even saying 32 times or 24 times, start with 20 plus times and that would, sort it out for most part. So just count it and a lot of times I also count it. Again, मैंने कब से count करना start किया? 2019 में आपको and I told you the story, right? Next, eat veggies and protein first. If you eat veggies and protein first, else you might just end up skipping them. Plus, veggies and protein would help with digestion also, overall health also. They increase something called GLP-1 also, right? So GLP-1 मैंने आपको बताया अभी Ozempic वाला example, and that is what. So veggies and protein first, and इसमें और benefit भी है cravings, satiety, insulin release. इन दोनों ये चीज करने से having veggies and protein first से ये तीनों benefits भी मिलते हैं. एड एप्पल साइडर विनेगर अराउंड मील्स. अभी इस पे इतनी ज्यादा साइंस या डेटा नहीं है, कुछ पेपर्स हैं बट मैं बता रहा हूँ इट्स बेस्ड ऑफ माय एक्सपीरियंस. आई लव हैविंग एप्पल साइडर विनेगर विद वाटर आफ्टर माय मील्स. देयर सम स्टडी एंड डेटा आल्सो दैट इट रिड्यूसेस क्रेविंग इफ यू हैव इट प्री बिफोर योर मील. एंड इट ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव स्टमक एक्सेल प्रोडक्शन. एक दो पेपर से ज्यादा इसमें कंक्लूसिव डेटा नहीं है बट मैंने अपने एक्सपीरियंस से देखा. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी बट यू कैन ट्राई इट वंस, राइट? एंड इट्स बीन वर्किंग ग्रेट फॉर माई क्लाइंट्स ऑल्सो. अगेन फिर से बता रहा हूँ, ये कोई मैं साइंटिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है ये वाली, ये स्पेशली एसीवी वाला टिप. एंड इट्स बेस्ड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस बट आई बीन एक्सपीरियंसिंग दिस सिंस अ लॉन्ग वाइल. Next, focus on food, avoid talking, no Netflixing, or getting distracted while eating. Now, by now, you must have understood कि इतना difficult नहीं है अपनी digestion fix करना. And I am still confident and sure 99% of you would feel better and feel 10 times better after having this, after, following this framework, I would say. Also, did you get value from this? If you did, just support our mission. How? Share it with a friend, share it with a family member, or on your story. If you loved it a lot and you are like, okay, YBS, I want to thank you properly, just share it on a story. A lot of times people think, YBS, you have 500K plus followers, एक story से क्या फर्क पड़ता है? पड़ता है. I value each and every one of you. That's why I'm creating these frameworks. Why am I creating framework if you're already a follower? Because I want to keep on providing you value, keep on providing, bringing you a positive change in your life while growing my own business. So, talking about my business, if you are someone who has more than 10 kgs to lose, 10 to 55 plus kgs, and you want to make it the last time you are dieting while fixing your health, just DM us the word transform on Instagram and let's see if we align. If we align, we'll walk you through the program. If we don't, we will share more free resources like this to for you to help you transform. Also, we have a lot more frameworks like this. Uh, to fix your health, frameworks and detailed trainings. And we have covered most topics in a digestible way. Obviously, this is pun intended. And that is what. So we have frameworks on sleep, we have frameworks on binge eating, we have framework on fat loss, literally every topic you can think about, digestion, stress, literally detailed frameworks, improving health of parents, literally hell lot of frameworks. And this is what. And again, guys, this training was made for my clients. Obviously, I'll share it online also, but clients always get the priority and priority access. If you are a client, thank you. I just want to thank you from deep down my heart for watching this and for being a part. Thank you and have a great day. And let's make it the last time you're dieting. Bye. And let's fix our digestion.